English alphabet letters A to Z. Short sound A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. A lot of thanks for watching.